Assalamu alaikum my dear friends. Today I will tell you a small story about me, that how I came out of my mobile addiction because of Rubik's Cube. So let's begin. 2 years before I was an ordinary child and still today I am, but something happened in these 2 years that my journey has become from ordinary to extraordinary. By the grace of Allah, my name has appeared in Limca Book of Records, India Book of Records, Asia Book of Records, and I am also a TEDx speaker. Inshallah, very soon my name will be coming in the Guinness Book of Records. Yes, you heard it right. I am Afan Kuti, a grade 10 student from St. Mary Convent School, Mumbra in Mumbai, and I am here to share my beautiful journey with you all my dear friends. Few years before, I was a child highly addicted to mobile phones. I had more than 500 TikTok videos of mine, and I was actively playing all sort of games that was available on social media. PUBG being my favorite, but I was oblivious to its side effects. The same addiction landed me to wear spectacle for the rest of my life. The addiction was so serious that it even started affecting my health and academics too. During the peak of my mobile addiction, I was bedridden due to some health issues. That time, my doctor uncle advised me to be away from mobile for some times, as it was extremely tough for me to keep myself away from mobile, but I had to follow my doctor uncle's advice. That time, my dad introduced me to Rubik's Cube with a challenge: if I solve the cube within a stipulated period of time, I will get to meet my favorite personality. That challenge excited me a lot, so I thought, let's give it a try, and I accepted the challenge. For 2 days, I practiced the cube rigorously, and finally I could solve the cube. By seeing this, my family was highly surprised, and the very next day I was gifted with 12 more Rubik's Cube. My family member would scramble those cubes and place it at different corner of my house. I used to search it and solve it. This improved my speed of solving Rubik's Cube tremendously. As promised, my dad arranged a meeting with my favorite personality. I was super excited to meet my favorite personality live in front of me. I solved the cube within 50 seconds in front of sir. Sir applauded my performance and was highly impressed by my performance. After my performance, he gave me many valuable gifts, and above all he gave me much valuable advices, which motivated me a lot. From that day onwards, I started practicing cube for minimum 3 hours a day, and also started practicing bigger and larger cubes. After 1 week of practice, I could successfully solve 7 by 7 Rubik's Cube. One fine day, when I was practicing my cube, I accidentally made a letter A. Surprised by this formation, my father encouraged me to form all the 26 alphabet on Rubik's Cube. After 1 month of hard work and rigorous practice, I was able to form all the 26 alphabets on 7 by 7 Rubik's Cube. This encouraged my family to explore more about Rubik's Cube. After searching this on internet, we realized that I was the only Indian to make alphabets on 7 by 7 Rubik's Cube. The very next day, I was gifted with 24 7 by 7 Rubik's Cube. With those cubes, I started making creative sentences and messages. I started sending birthday messages and festival greetings. This innovative way of greeting my friends was highly appreciated by them. Such motivation and appreciation by my loved ones made me more confident. By this time, my mobile timing has come down drastically. Well, I did not stop. Almost after 2 months of practice, a thought came into my mind. What if I make alphabets blindfolded? Will I be able to do it? Well, with a positive attitude, I gave it a try. As making alphabets blindfolded was very difficult, but almost after 1 month of hard work, dedication and rigorous practice, I was able to form all the 26 alphabet blindfolded on 7 by 7 Rubik's Cube. This time, when my family members searched on internet, we were astonished to know that I was the I was the only child in the world to make alphabets blindfolded on 7 by 7 Rubik's Cube. We were all happy. So, my dear friends, by the grace of Allah, who blessed me with this unique talent, which gave me an opportunity to stand in front of you all, this wonderful journey has taught me many things, which I would like to share with you all. Today, so many of you listening to me, some of you, maybe your friends, relatives, or anyone you know, might be addicted to something, and many of them not even know that they are addicted to something. My dear friends, that addiction will definitely give you a physical or mental health issue. I strongly believe that anybody or everybody can come out of any negative addiction just the way I came out of my mobile addiction. We just need to follow three things in life to get rid of any negative addiction. First and important thing, you have to believe in yourself. You need to strongly believe that you can come out of any difficulty, as self realization is the first step to come out of any negative addiction. The second thing you need is positivity. To come out of any negative addiction, you need some positive motivation towards a positive addiction. Just the way to overcome my mobile addiction, my father introduced me to Rubik's Cube, which is now a positive addiction. Because when something is removed from you, a vacuum is created. To fill that vacuum, some positive motivation is needed, or else when willpower gets over, you might go back deeper to that negative addiction. So, my dear friends, with all the positive attitude, try to achieve your goal and don't stop until you get it. This brings me to the third and last point. The third thing you need is unconditional love and support by your family and friends. I was very lucky that my dad never forced me. He in fact always motivated me. So I am grateful to Allah for blessing me such a dad. My other family members also supported me a lot. Today, just because of their unconditional love and support, I could successfully come out of my mobile addiction. Today, my mobile timing has came down by 80%. So once again, my dear friends, I would like to assure you all that you can also come out of your any negative addiction just the way I came out of my mobile addiction. And see while delivering the lecture what I made for you all. Yes, this time we go online. Now I will demonstrate you that how I make alphabets blindfolded, and now I will be making 25th Profcon blindfolded on 7 by 7 and 9 by 9 Rubik's Cube by the grace of Allah. Now I will demonstrate you that how I make alphabets blindfolded. Now I will be making 25th Profcon blindfolded on 7 by 7 and 9 by 9 Rubik's Cube by the grace of Allah. My friend, this is my dad. He has supported me a lot in my whole journey. Now he will be helping me to arrange 25th Profcon that I am making blindfolded. Now I will be making Islam on a single 13 by 13 Rubik's Cube blindfolded by the grace of Allah. Thank you everyone. Hope you all enjoyed my session. Once again I would like to tell you all that you can also come out of your any negative addiction just the way I came out of my mobile addiction. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum.
Wisdom Students presents To the Right Goal Through the Right Path. Let's ProfCon. ProfCon. Professional Students Global Conference.